channel. This video is going to be a very short vlog. We came to... I'm sorry, I'm not really good with the names. What was the name of this place again?
Monsel Day.
Monsel Day.
Monsel Head.
Monsel?
Monsel Head.
Head. Oh, so not Dale.
Car park we just stopped on Monsel Head.
Head. Oh, I thought it was Monsel Head.
Monsel Dale.
Dead? Monsel dead? Head. Monsel Head. No, Monsel Head. Yeah. And it's going to be a short video. I'm not going to talk much. It's basically just showing you around how this place looks, and I hope you're going to enjoy it. I'm going to have more videos like this on the way, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also that bell so that you're going to be notified basically if I'm going to have more videos on the way. And yeah, so enjoy the video, and I'm going to have more videos on the way. Let's go. Well, looks like that we're lost. I mean, not lost. We're probably in the wrong direction.
Maybe it was the other way.
Okay. You sure are we going now?
Back this way.
Okay, we're heading back now. Fantastic. I mean, I know that for the fact I'm definitely a much better tour guide, you know. But it's alright. Just having a nice walk. It kind of woke me up. And the thing is, I was up until 6 o'clock in the morning, this morning. And then I woke up around 11. So that means that I only had less than 8, well, even 7 hours sleep. So I'm a bit tired. I mean, I was almost like falling asleep on the way when we were coming here. And at the moment, I'm just like, seriously, are we going the wrong way? don't want to know what's moving right in there. Right, so we're heading back to the car, and we are literally on the same path when we first started walking, and it was actually seemed to be wrong based on our website where Tim said that this is actually not the right way. But then my suggestion is, I mean, you can somehow start from this path, which is literally the opposite path of the way that we were following based on that website. So you can still follow this path, that's all right, but it would be like completely the opposite way, which is all right, you can still do it. But we're like literally shattered. Walked quite a long time. We're heading to an Indian restaurant, and I think that's literally the end of my vlog from here. And let me know if you like this video. If you did, please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I cannot open this gate right now because I'm just taking my phone in my hand to film myself, and that's why I cannot open the gate. So Tim helped me. And yeah, make sure you hit that bell as well so that you can be notified for my next videos. I put some information for you down the description. As you know, I have got 2 more YouTube channels, which I also leave the links of them down in the description box. Let me know if you have any questions. Don't forget, thumbs up and hit the subscribe button.